How to book hotel in booking.com without credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can book a hotel on booking.com without credit card. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then launch your application. Once you open up your booking.com, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're over here, select the destination or hotel where you actually want to stay. After that, click on the search button, which is right at the bottom. Select date and all that. Now it's going to show you a list of hotel that is available on booking.com. So over here, what you need to do is you will need to select no prepayment needed, which means that you do not have to pay in advance and you can pay it when you actually arrive to the hotel. So you need to select this kind of option. As you can see, as I already mentioned, no prepayment can needed or all of these. You need to tap on the hotel, click on select room. Now this particular hotel will allow you to reserve a room without even paying in advance. So basically you have to click on the select room and then click on the reserve button. That is basically how you can book a hotel in booking.com without credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.